Hello everyone, welcome to TechMadeec. In the previous video of the Instagram series, we saw about logging into your Instagram account. If you haven't seen the previous video, feel free to click on the link above. I have explained about the requirements for this in the previous video as well. Today we are going to see about liking and commenting on Instagram posts. I would recommend you to watch the complete video for a better understanding. So let's get started. So I have done a few changes when you compare to the previous code. I have added a timeout with random values. I have added this random timeout so that Instagram would not suspect that you are using an automation tool. I have used maximize window for maximizing the Chrome screen and moved the login code to a function called login. So let's check this out. I have eliminated the pop-ups as well by inspecting the elements and clicking on it. So now we have logged in successfully. Now what we are going to do is we need to go to a particular account. We can do that in two ways, either with the help of the search button or with the help of the URL of that particular account. Using the URL with the long timeout would be easier, so let's do that. We are going to use our channel's Instagram account for testing this. Now we have to inspect the first picture of the post and click on it. After this you will be able to see the like and comment buttons. So now we need to find out the XPath with the help of the like label, since it is difficult to inspect the SVG. So there would be a situation where the particular like label will not be present since the picture is already liked. So in order to handle those kind of exceptions, we are using a try except here. So let's check this out. So for commenting on the post, you need to inspect the text area of the comment and the button to post your comment. So we need to find the text area with the help of the add a comment label, since the class property of this text area changes once it is clicked. After clicking, use send keys to send your comment. Now inspect the button. So let's check this out. use a loop so that all pictures can be liked and commented. So in order to like and comment on the next picture, you need to inspect this particular arrow mark and click on it to go to the next picture, and then follow the same procedure. So let's check this out. So we have successfully written the logic for liking and commenting on all the posts. So if you like the video, if you want to share your thoughts about this, comment on it and make that red button white and ring the bell. See you soon. Have fun. Bye.